Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play PubG Mobile on PC using BlueStacks. Open BlueStacks and sign into Google, then install PubG Mobile from Google Play or by sideloading the APK. Configure keyboard and mouse controls using the built-in mapping editor, choose performance mode in settings, allocate more CPU or RAM if needed, and test matchmaking in a casual lobby before jumping into ranked matches. Have fun and tweak settings for smooth gameplay. Getting BlueStacks ready is quick and friendly, and I will walk you through each step so it feels easy. First, enable virtualization in your PC BIOS to unlock better performance. Next, open BlueStacks settings and set CPU and RAM to recommended levels for PubG Mobile, then choose High Performance mode. Finally, sign into Google Play so your account and progress sync properly across devices and matches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading on breaks between matches, with a crisp screen and long battery life that makes downtime feel premium. I like to switch from loot runs to a chapter while maps load, which feels oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fine-tuning controls makes a huge difference, and I will guide you through practical tweaks to feel comfortable. Open the advanced key mapping editor and drag controls to mirror touch. Test bindings for aiming, crouch, and prone. Calibrate mouse DPI and in-game sensitivity to match your comfort, and save separate presets for close combat versus sniping. Finally, practice in training mode to lock in muscle memory before competitive matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.